character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Curriculum Podcast.
I know my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK. Knowledge forever, love forever. Textbook friends, 3C for sure. Lovely teachers and for wisdom. What's the culture we will start? I know my school, SRK. Best of the best is SRK. Bright future means SRK. Quality education, SRK.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer.
My dear students, already we have completed Unit 3 poem. Now we will go to Unit 3 supplementary reader. Just take the pages, okay? Now we'll see Unit 3, the first patient written by C.V. Burks. Now we'll see about the author. Now we'll see about the author. Christopher Victor Burks is known as C.V. Burks. He is a humorous playwright. His situational humor intensifies the emotions of the characters in the play. His plays usually accommodate a number of characters. His famous works are short play, large classes, teach yourself, speech training and classroom playhouse, verse in action. So we'll see about the author. Who is the author here? Christopher Victor. He is otherwise called as C.V. Burks. He is otherwise called as C.V. Burks. He is a humorous playwright. What is the meaning for humorous, right? Humorous means funny. He always used to write funny dramas. Okay. His situational humor intensifies. According to the situational, he used to write the plays. The emotions of the characters in the play. His plays usually accommodate a number of characters. How many characters will be? There will not be 1 or 2 or 5. There will be more characters in his plays. Okay, there will be more characters. His famous works are, what are his famous works? His famous works are short plays for large classes, teach yourself, speech training. Okay, short plays for large classes, teach yourself, speech training and classroom playhouse and verse in action. These are his playwrights. Okay, now we'll go to the story. In this characters, how many persons are there? There are 20 characters. How many characters are there? 20 characters. Men how many? 1 to 8 men. Women 1 to 8. Dentist 1. Nurse, little girl and a small boy. They are the characters involved in this story. Okay. Now we'll see the scene 1. What is happening in the scene 1? When the curtain rises, the following characters are seated in the dentist waiting room. Women 1 to 8 and men 1 to 8. Some of them are reading magazines or newspapers. What is happening here? In the scene 1, when the curtain has been moved, who are the characters inside? Who has been sitting here? So women 1 to 8 and men 1 to 8. What is the meaning for 1 to 8? When we are going for the clinics, they used to give the tokens for the patients like that. Here also they have given the tokens like that. So up to what numbers? Women 1 to 8 and men 1 to 8. Some of them, what they are doing? Some of them are reading magazines and some are reading newspapers here. Okay. Man 4 has a rough bandage tied around his jaw. What man 4? How the man 4 is? The man 4 is being a rough bandage tied around his jaw. What is being done? This is called as jaw. He has been wearing a bandage around his jaw. Okay, ma? He is holding the bandage and groaning. What is the meaning for groaning here? Groaning means shouting. With the pain, he is shouting like anything. Man 3, then women 5 and women 6 are just entering the waiting room. Already man 4 is in the scheme. Okay, next man 3, women 5 and women 6 are just entering into the waiting room. Is it clear? Now we'll go to the women 5, next para. What women 5 is saying here? we will have some time to wait before the dentist sees us, dear. What women 5 is discussing with the women 6, she is saying that we have to wait for some time till the dentist reaches here, okay. Now what women 6 is saying? Oh, so I see, okay, like that women 6 is saying to women 5. But I will show you some of my holiday photographs to pass the time. What women 5 is saying to women 6? She is saying that I will show you some of my vacation photographs. What she is saying? I will show you some of my vacation photographs to pass the time. As we are having lot of time, we can pass the time by seeing the photographs. Okay, ma'am. Next, man 3, women 5 and women 6 are sitting. Women 5 takes a packet of photographs from her handbag. From where she is taking? She is taking the packets of photographs from her handbag. Throughout the play, she concentrates on showing her photographs. Throughout the play, what she is doing? Women 5 is concentrating only on her photographs. Is it clear? Next, what man 5 is doing here? What time do you make it, Jack? Man 5 is asking to the man 6. 5 is asking to the man 6, that is Jack. What time do you make it, Jack? What time will the dentist come? Almost 8:30. The dentist should be along any moment. Now what she saying? What he is saying? Almost by 8:30 he will be here. I hope he will be in the moment now. What women 6 is doing? So the conversation is going between man 5 and man 6. Now women 6, what she is doing? Isn't it dreadful hour of the morning to see a dentist? I am not half waked. What she is saying here? What is the meaning for dreadful? Dreadful means very bad. I think this is very bad as we are coming early morning to see the dentist. I am not slept at all. I didn't have a good sleep in the night time. Because we will be thinking, no, suppose we are going, we have planned for something. Tomorrow we have to go to the doctor or something. No, we will be planning. So that throughout the night she was not slept. I think this is the bad time for us. Dreadful means here bad. So isn't a dreadful hour of the morning to see a dentist? I am not half awake. I did sleep the whole night. Okay, ma'am. Next, man 5. What man 5 is saying here? I hope he won't be long. I am going to be late for work anyway. What man 5 is saying? I think he will not be coming. I think I can go for the work. Is it clear? Next, man 6. Something should be done about dental hours. What man 6 is saying? Something should be done for our dental hours. I have always said so, and I'll go on saying so. Always he used to keep, we should not go to the dentist, we should not go to the dentist. He will be keep saying, and she is keeping on saying that. Okay, ma'am. Next, while this things all is happening, who is entering here? Nurse is entering to the clinic. Women 6. Good, the dentist should be long now. As the nurse enters the clinic, what the women 6 is saying? I think the dentist will be coming in. Now women 5. Women 5 means who is here? Photographer. Women 5 who is always concentrating on photographs. And this is one of the boarding houses at Wadling-on-Sea. Our boarding, those who are the steps I fell up, we nearly died laughing. What is the meaning for this? And this is one of the boarding houses. While she is showing the photos, she is saying that this is one of my boarding houses as Wadling-on-Sea. Our boarding house, those are the steps. These are the steps she is showing on the photo. I fell up while climbing into the steps. What happened? She fell down. We nearly died laughing. What is the meaning for died laughing? Died laughing means which she is not able to control her laughing. She is not able to control her laughing. That is called here died laughing. Next. It looks quite a nice place. Women 6 is saying to women 5, wow, it's a quite nice place. What women 5 is saying? Oh, it was. And the landlady was a dear. Yeah, it was a very nice place. And this is the landlady was my dear. So women 5 shows another photograph. Already she showed the photograph of Wadling. Now she is showing the photograph of another things. Okay, this is one of hers. You can't quite see her face, and she is showing the landlady. This is one of her, but you cannot see her face. Why she can't see her face? You see, my fingers got in the way, but she has a nice face. What happened? While the photo has been taken, my fingers has been gone. So but she has a such a nice face. But she has a such a nice face. What woman 6 is saying? I'm sure she has. What woman 6 is saying to the woman 5? Yes, I hope she will be having. Now we enter. Who is entering here? Woman 7 and the little girl. Who is entering here? Woman 7 and the little girl. Woman 7. What woman 7 is doing? Who do? Come along, Dorothy. What is the meaning for Dorothy here? Dorothy means a little girl. Oh, do come along, Dorothy. Little girl, I don't want to see the dentist. I won't. What the little girl is saying? She is the girl, Dorothy. What she is saying? I won't come to the dentist. I won't. She started shouting. Is it clear? Next, woman 7. Now, Dorothy, remember what your daddy said. If you won't have your teeth seen to, no more ice lollies. What the mother? Woman 7. Women 7 means the mother and the girl. Girl name is Dorothy here. So what she is saying? What your papa said? What your papa said? If you are not showing your teeth to the dentist, hereafter no more ice lollies for you. What is the meaning for ice lollies? In our childhood we would have eaten the ices with sticks. No, that is called as ice lollies. Okay. Now the little girl. What the little girl is saying? I don't want any ice lollies. What the little girl is saying? I don't want any ice lollies. Just take me out of this place. The little girl is dragged to her seat by woman 7. She sits weeping. Man 4 grounds loudly. What happened here? The little girl is being dragged. Drag means pulling. The mother is pulling her to the seat. The mother is pulling her to the seat. She sits weeping. How the girl is sitting? She sits weeping. Weeping means crying. Man 4 groans loudly. Already I told, no, a man in the jaw with a bandage. So he is groaning. He is groaning loudly. Okay. Next here, woman 4. What he is doing? Here's the dentist. What woman 4 is saying? Here's the dentist. And about a time to here's the dentist. It's the time. Now who is entering here? Dentist is entering. Could I have the first patient, please? What the dentist is asking? Could I have the first patient, please? Exit dentist into the surgery. So dentist is entering to the clinic. Next he is going to the surgery room. Women, that's you, Joe. Who is going there? Who is the first person? Joe is the first person. So man 1 and women 1 is standing. They are standing. Man 1, yes, that's me. What man 1 is saying? Yeah, it's me. And women 1. Now make sure he pulls out the ring 1, Joe. Right 1, Joe. What women 1 is saying to the man 1? Man 1 and women 1 are husband and wife. What he is saying to the husband? Be careful. Ask the dentist to take the right one. Pulls means pull out the teeth. Now make sure he pulls out the right one, Joe. Be careful. What man 1 is saying? Okay, I will. Like that he is saying and going. Now women 1. Goodbye, Joe. I will wait for you. So man 1 is entering to the surgery. Then women 1 is saying, goodbye, Joe. I will be waiting here for you. So women 1 is standing outside. Is it? Exit man 1 into surgery. Women 1 sits. So man 1 is going to the surgery and women 1 is sitting outside. Now women 2. Who is the women 2? I believe the dentist is ever so good. What the women 2 is talking to women 1? They both are having conversation. That I believe this dentist is so good. Now women 3. Already women 1, women 2. Now women 3 is entering into the conversation. Yes. He took out 6 of Mrs. Johnstone and she never felt a thing. What is happening here? Women 3 is saying to women 2 and 1. Sorry. Women 3 is saying to women 2 and 1 that she has pulled out the 6 teeth. 6 okay. He has took out the 6 of Mrs. Johnstone and she never felt a thing. She was not feeling very bad. Is it? Now we enter women 8 with the small boy. Again who is entering here? 8. Women 8 is entering in with a small boy here. Okay ma? Now women 8. Women 8. Now Maurice, there is nothing to be afraid of. While the woman is coming with us. Who is the Maurice here? Maurice means a small boy. He is coming with the mother. Women 8 is the mother and Maurice is a little boy. There is nothing to be afraid of. There is nothing to be afraid. Who is telling like that? Mother is saying to the boy, Maurice. So what the small boy is saying? I'm not afraid. What small boy is saying? I'm not afraid. Woman 8 is saying, just a little pull and ever such a weeny tug. And ever such a weeny tug and all the pain will be gone. What woman 8 is saying? Just a little pull and ever such a weeny tug. Weeny tug means the dentist chuck, they will take the teeth, no? While you are going to the dentist, chabak, they will take the teeth. That is called here weeny tug. And the pain will be gone. So just a little pull, they will be having a little pull and it will be such a weeny tug and all the pain will be going for you. What the small boy is saying here? There is no need to treat me like a baby. I am not afraid of a dentist. What the small boy is saying? You need not treat me like a baby. I am not a baby here. I can, and also I am not afraid of the dentist. Now woman 8. What woman 8 is saying here? Now sit down quietly, Maurice, and I am sure the nice dentist won't be long. Woman 8 is saying to the boy Maurice, what? Will you sit down quietly? And I am the sure nice dentist. I think he is a very nice dentist. I think I will get a magazine. I feel like reading. What the small boy Maurice is saying to his mother? He is saying that I feel like reading, so I need a magazine. I feel like reading, so I need a magazine. The small boy goes to the table, looks through the pile. What is the meaning for pile? Pile means many, lot of things, lot of magazines and newspapers. So the small boy is going to the table and looks through the pile. Pile means lot of magazines and newspaper. So women 8, all right dear, just as you like. So women 8, what he is saying to the boy? He is saying, what magazine you like, you just take and come away. Now man 5, I am going to ask for gas. I will never forget the last time. Now man 5 is saying that I am going to ask for the gas. What is the meaning for gas here? Not our national oxygen. Okay, this is the gas here means anesthesia. Anesthesia which will be given by the doctors before operating our parts. So what he is saying? I need a gas. Gas here means anesthesia. I will never forget the last time, which has happened in the last time, because without giving anesthesia they have taken her last time. Okay. Man 1. I knew the chap once he asked for gas. It was the last time he ever asked for anything. Again man 5 is saying no, that I am going to ask for anesthesia. What man 1 is saying? I knew a chap once, I know one person, he asked for gas, he was asking for a gas. Gas means anesthesia. It was the last time he ever asked for anything. That was the last time where he asked anesthesia. From that day I didn't ever see him. What he is making that man afraid. Okay man. So man 2, what he is saying is that it happened like that. The man 2 is asking to the man 1. Now who is entering? Entering nurse from the surgery. She walks across the stage and exits left. So nurse is coming out of the surgery. She walks across the stage and exits left. Across the stage means what? She is crossing the persons who are waiting and she is exiting by the left side. Now man 4 is saying, I should not ask for gas or any of these drugs either. It's unnatural, I say. Give me the old fashioned method. So what man 4 is saying? I no need gas, Appa, I no need any anesthesia or any of these drugs either. Drugs means here what? Like syrup, tonic, they will say no, vaccine, medicines, injection. So these all the time things, I no need anything. It's unnatural. Let it be a unnatural. It's unnatural, I say. I think it is unnatural. Give me the old fashionable methods. What is saying? You give me the old fashionable methods without giving anything. Now man 5, you can have them. I will have it without the pain. Now man 5 is saying, okay, you can have that. I will have it without the pain. Now women 5, and you all love this one dear. What is going on here? With in the scene, these all the things going on, and women 5, who is she? Photographer lady. What she is saying, and you all love this one. Para, you can love this. What she is saying to the other person? She is saying that I think you all love this dear. You just see these photos. I am sure I will. So women 6 is saying, yes, I think I will love that. It's one of me riding a donkey along the sands. What women 5 is showing? She is showing the riding a donkey. She is showing the riding a donkey's photo, right? She is riding a donkey along the sands. That photo was taken and she is showing that to the women 6. Who I say? What women is saying? Who? Nice. I see. Like that. Women 6 is saying. Now women 5. Isn't a scream dear? I sat on it the wrong way round just for the laugh. What happened? What women 5 is saying? Isn't a scream dear? Unmiyaveva, like that she is asking. I sat on it in the wrong way. I didn't sit in the correct way. I sat on the wrong way. Just for the laugh. Just for the fun. Okay. Now who is entering here? Enter nurse left ferrying a large hammer. Ferrying means what is here? Ferrying means carrying something. Carrying a large hammer. She crosses the stage and goes into the surgery. So nurse is entering with the large hammer. She is carrying a large hammer and she is crossing the persons and going into the surgery. Was that a hammer she was carrying? What man 6 is asking to man 7? Is that a hammer? Like that she is, man 6 is asking to the man 7. I haven't seen dentist use some queer tools. What he is saying, man 7? I haven't seen the dentist using this type of tools. Now man 6 is saying, well, if it wasn't a hammer, I should be attending an eye specialist and not a dentist. So what man 6 is saying, if that is not a hammer, I should be attending an eye specialist. I should be going for the checkup for eye, not for the dentist. I think my eyes is good. So the nurse has been carried a hammer. Is it clear? Up to this, can you understand? Now what women 5 is saying, I hope he is not going to use it. What women 5 is saying to the man 6, she is saying that I hope they will not use that. Man 3, it is a peculiar thing to have in a surgery. What man 3 is saying, it is very peculiar to have in a surgery. I hope you all understood up to this. Is it clear, ma? So just go through the lessons up to what we have taught. So read well. If you all understood up to this, if you have any doubt, just go through it and underline the things where you are having doubt. Okay, my dear students, thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Character, knowledge, confidence. SRK Higher Secondary School, Curriculum Parkam.
I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay. Knowledge forever, last forever. It's for friends to see the culture. Lovely teachers and for wisdom. What's the culture we will start? I love my school, it's okay. Best of the best is okay. Bright future means it's okay. Quality education, it's okay.
Admission is going on from pre-KG to 12th standard. Group A1A, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology. Group A1B, Physics, Chemistry, Computer Science and Biology. Group A2, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and Computer Science. Group A3, Accountancy, Economics, Commerce and Computer Application. SRK Higher Secondary School, 45/7, Dillianur Main Road, Karikalambakkam, Puducherry 7.